Hey guys, it's Jayme with Tech Nation coming to you live again. We're inside of a very active, buzzing exhibit hall right now, but I did find my friend Samuel from Medigate. We just stepped off to the side to chat a bit about their participation in this 20th anniversary of MD Expo. Before I get too far ahead of myself though, Samuel, will you introduce yourself to the Tech Nation community?
Yeah, hey, my name is Samuel Hill, the Director of Product Marketing at Medigate, and we are so thrilled to be a part of this 20th anniversary of the MD Expo show. It is a real honor to be here, and it's been incredible. Like, congratulations on this. This is wonderful.
Thank you so much. I will definitely pass it along to the team. And tell me a little, what has Medigate been involved with during the 3-day conference here in Atlanta?
Yeah, it's been fun. We've been able to sponsor so many of the different pieces, to have conversations and be around just the community.
Yeah.
I think that's what I've been struck by. Is there's a community of people that we all care about very similar things, and coming together to talk about those things. And we've been excited. We're just happy to provide the food and the drink and the conversations, and it's been a really great time for us.
That's good. And we had a really good time at the Leadership Summit dinner a little earlier during the conference, but Medigate is a big supporter of Tech Nation and in turn the Tech Nation community. I know that we recently did a video interview for our February roundtable on cybersecurity. If the viewers didn't see that, maybe give us a little taste of what was included and why we want to go find that video.
Yeah, so it really comes down to, you got to know what your devices are so that you can secure them better. And at the end of the day, a device that is breached or hacked, it's not available for patient care. And that's what we really are focused on, is making sure that we have devices available to be there for when patients need them and our frontline staff needs them. So security becomes a patient care issue. And so having the right data that you really need off of your network about these devices, and that's what we talked about in that roundtable. It was a great conversation around security, why it matters, the devices that are on your network, and how and why Biomed, HTM community, and how they should kind of start thinking about some ideas to think about in relation to security around them.
Well, if you're curious and you want to see that video interview or read the article, it's going to be in the February issue of Tech Nation, or you can see it online at onetechnation.com/roundtable. Now, something else that's coming up from the Medigate team is a webinar Wednesday. Tell us a little what you'll be talking about and who's included as a presenter.
Yeah, so I'll be doing the webinar Wednesday again and just being able to engage the community. We're continuing that theme of security. There's a word that's used in the security world called zero trust. And zero trust basically is a concept that says we're not going to trust it when it gets to our network doors to come access the network.
I like it.
And once we allow it in, we've validated and given it trust, it gets inside of our hospital environment. We're still not going to trust it to get further. It's not just, okay, congratulations, you're in the door, do whatever you want. How do we maintain a posture of, yeah, we can give you some validation, but we want to make sure you're doing only what you're allowed to do. So it's a zero trust outside and also inside your network. And I think it's an important concept, especially for the HTM community. They're working with these devices every single day, knowing that security is an impact. So how can we better integrate with our security brethren? Because we, again, have the same goal, which is devices available for patient care. That's really what it comes down to.
That's good. Okay, well, let's focus a little here on the MD Expo. You can see right behind us the Medigate booth. There are people that are stopping in and talking and learning more about the company. If I stopped at your booth 600 inside the exhibit hall, what would I learn? What could I take away?
What we're going to talk about is we collect the data off the network. And it understands everything about your medical device. It's about 100 different data points. And then we help you with that data in 3 key areas. The first one is to keep your inventory inside your CMMS as accurate and up-to-date as is humanly possible. We can fill in all of the fields that have been missed historically. So your CMMS is a very accurate record of truth with the data that we're providing it. The second thing is, how often are these devices really being used in the course of doing their job, which can help you plan and operationalize significantly better. It's a really cool piece of information to begin planning your work and all the pieces about it. And then the final piece is, where is the device physically located? Where is it at? Like being able to search a small area versus a really large area for that one missing device. It's crucial, and these are the pieces of information that we provide from the Medigate data platform.
I love that. All right, guys, if you're here at the MD Expo Atlanta, you're going to come inside the exhibit hall. You're going to stop at booth 600 to chat with Samuel and the Medigate team. But if you're not here at the conference, I still want you to find out more about this company. Their URL is medigate.io, right? Medigate.io. So learn more about them either online or in person at the conference. All right, guys, this is Jayme with Tech Nation. I'm going to bring you a couple of more updates before we wrap up this 20th anniversary MD Expo. We'll see you soon.